Dear friends, hi, this is Nick Polishkin. Today I want to show you and showcase one of our investment properties which we bought with Vera Fund, and it's a fix and flip property. We're almost done with renovations, so it's the final stages. We will be listing it very soon. At the end, you will see what profit we will get and what our partners and investors will make on this particular investment. So without further ado, let's go take a drive to this house. So we are going to see one of the properties we purchased at the end of January on the auction. We've been waiting for the title for about 3 months because there were people who were living in the home. Right now we're already almost done with renovations, so we're going to see the progress, how it looks like right now. We purchased it for $570,000, and because it was an auction, it's only available for purchase in cash. Or for like in hard money lending, but because we have our investment company Vera Fund, we usually finance the purchases with the messages. We usually finance the purchases with our company. In this property, we have 3 investors. We only work with accredited investors. I'm one of the investors in every single property we buy with Vera Fund. Why we selected specifically this house? Because it's on the water. It has about 60 feet dock. You can park up to 50 feet boat, and it has ocean access. So you can easily go for fishing or for boat trips. And these properties are in demand always in Florida, and we know that we will be able to sell it for right price. Because it doesn't only mean when you bought something on auction, you think you already won. Not necessarily, because you need to analyze what's around this location, what are the prices, and how you will be selling it. And if you don't know how to sell it right, you can also contact us, because we have a real estate brokerage firm, about 100 agents. We serve state of Florida, and we can guide you on and analyze the prices. We have an analytical department which run the comparable sales, and we can tell you approximately for how much you can sell it. Sometimes we can tell you very precise, based on the comparable sales. And now we arrived to the home. Here it is. There's some renovations going on right now. Let's go take a look inside what's happening. So welcome to one of our investment properties. We bought this property with Vera Fund. Minimum investment here was $100,000. We bought it for $570,000 4 months ago. We invested $50K, and let's go see what we did here. So as far as renovations, what we did here, we decided to keep the original kitchen, but we upgraded the bathrooms because they were in old shape. We cleaned up the roof, we painted the exterior, we replaced the doors with our partner company, Valuso Design. This is final 2 doors which need to be replaced. So watch until the end, because I'm waiting for the analysis of investment return and for the price for what we can list it, and we can understand how much we can make on this property when we sell it and what return our investors will get. Stay tuned. So one of the reasons why we bought this home is that it has water frontage about 60 feet, and you can park the boat up to 50 feet, and you can go out to the ocean and fish and explore the areas with it. There is no fixed bridges, but you're about half an hour from the ocean. Oh, I think I just got a message. Okay, so I was waiting for this email from our office with Vera Realty, and they sent me the estimates and the numbers on this property. We call it current market analysis. So we can sell it for $850,000. The closing costs will be approximately $30,000 to $40,000. So we will net $810,000, and we invested $620,000, so we'll get $190,000 net profit, which is about 30% return on this project. So this is great numbers. I really impressed. I think we need to find more properties like this and invest together. So let's talk about final numbers and return on this property. So we bought this house on the water in Fort Lauderdale with partners with Vera Fund. Minimum investment amount was $100,000. We have 3 partners in this project. I'm one of them. We bought it for $570,000 in January, so 4 months later. we're almost done with renovations. We spent about $50,000 into renovations. So we are all in for $620,000. And just recently, as you saw, I got the information that we can sell it for about $850,000. Less closing expenses, we will get about $820K. Less an original investment, the net income will be $200,000, which for investors means that we get 30% project return, or if you look into time frame, it will be about 50% year return. This is great property, it's on the water, we really liked it. So if you have information how to invest with Vera Fund, and if you're an accredited investor, let us know, send us a message, and let's invest together.